Welcome to Spoken English course.
What's your name?
My name is Eric.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from Canada.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on June 2nd.
Where were you born?
I was born in Toronto.
Where do you live now?
I live in Los Angeles, California.
What's your phone number?
It's 454-574-1254.
What's your email address?
It's eric@gmail.com.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a doctor.
What's your marital status?
I'm married.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 children.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
Who do you live with?
I live with my wife and children.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are listening to music, shopping, and reading books.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 3 languages: French, English, and Spanish.
Where is your wife?
She is in the living room.
What is she doing?
She is watching television.
Where is your sister?
She's in her bedroom.
What is she doing?
She is sleeping.
What is wrong with her?
She is sick.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I do. It's a dog.
Where is it?
It is in the garage.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking.
What are you cooking?
I'm cooking ketchup chips.
Is there anything I can do to help?
Everything will be okay, thanks.
Would you mind opening the window?
It would be my pleasure.
What did you do yesterday?
I went to visit my grandmother.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will go to the park with my family.
Do you know Mary?
Yes, we've been friends since childhood.
Have you ever been to London?
No, but I'd love to visit someday.
Is the supermarket near here?
Yes, it's right across from the bank.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 5 times a week.
Is it yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Can you fix my bike?
Sure.
How long will it take to fix?
It's hard to say.
Did you buy your house?
No, I'm renting it.
Do you often go to restaurants?
Yes, I enjoy eating out.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like a chicken salad.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
What would you like to have for dessert?
I'd like chocolate coconut cake.
What would you like to drink?
Iced tea will be fine.
Is there a bank near here?
Yes, there's one nearby.
Can I speak to Michael, please?
I'm sorry, he's not here right now.
When will he be back?
He'll be back in about 30 minutes.
Do you think he'll be happy?
I think so.
Do you think you can do it?
I'll do my best.
Excuse me, what did you say?
I said I would get back to you.
Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, thank you for your time.
Anything else?
No, that's all, please.
What happened to you?
I had an accident.
How was your day?
It was perfect.
Where can I park?
You can park anywhere.
Do you know who I am?
I have no idea.
Do you usually eat lunch alone?
Not always.
Are these books yours?
Yes, they are mine.
How do you spend your evenings?
I spend them reading.
Why did you stop going to work?
I stopped because I started my own company.
Do we need to bring anything?
Just a few clothes and some water will be enough.
May I ask you something?
Yes, what's your question?
Which do you prefer, tea or coffee?
Actually, I prefer neither.
How tall are you?
I'm 5 feet 4 inches.
Are you new here?
Not really. I've lived here since I was a child.
When did you buy your car?
I bought it last year.
Can I pay by credit card?
Sorry, we only accept cash.
What do you do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and listening to music.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm easygoing, enthusiastic, and open-minded.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I traveled to Spain.
Are you American?
No, I'm British.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Where did you go on your previous vacation?
I went to the beach.
What's your favorite movie?
I enjoy action films.
Would you like some coffee?
No, thank you.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go.
What time do you usually wake up?
I normally get up at 7 a.m.
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, there's one right across the street.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
What's your favorite sport?
I like playing tennis.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm going to visit some friends.
How much does it cost?
It costs $20.
What's your dream job?
I'd love to become a photographer.
Can I have a glass of water?
Of course. Here you go.
Where did you learn English?
I learned it at school.
Do you have a favorite hobby?
I enjoy painting.
What type of music do you like?
I like listening to pop music.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I've been to a few.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I enjoy mathematics.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm planning to go hiking.
What's your shoe size?
I wear size 8.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can prepare simple meals.
What's your favorite holiday?
I like Christmas.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't.
How long have you lived here?
I've been living here for 5 years.
What's your favorite TV show?
I enjoy watching comedies.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite dessert?
I really like chocolate cake.
Are you a morning person?
No, I prefer evenings.
What is your favorite place in the world?
I love the beach.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm planning to watch a movie.
How often do you exercise?
I work out 3 times a week.
What kind of exercise do you enjoy?
I like jogging.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can.
What is your favorite holiday destination?
I love going to the mountains.
Do you enjoy dancing?
Yes, I do.
What type of weather do you like the most?
I prefer sunny weather.
Are you a vegetarian?
No, I eat meat.
What is your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, it's an Italian restaurant.
What kind of pizza do you like?
I like pepperoni pizza.
Can you play any musical instrument?
Yes, I play the piano.
What is your favorite type of pasta?
I like spaghetti.
Do you have any weekend plans?
Yes, I'm going shopping.
What is your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite type of chocolate?
I enjoy dark chocolate.
Can you ride a skateboard?
No, I can't.
What's your favorite type of sandwich?
I like turkey sandwiches.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite type of soup?
I like chicken noodle soup.
Can you speak any other languages?
I speak a bit of French.
What's your favorite type of bread?
I like whole wheat bread.
Do you have any weekend plans?
I'm going to a concert.